Welcome sa zipline.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on finding the domain and range of a function, no? And in this video, we have two more functions. The first function is y equals 8, no? And I think this is very easy. Ano ang alam niyo sa y equals 8? Anong na-imagine niyo sa graph niya? It's a horizontal line, di ba? So pag horizontal line, meron naman tayo lahat niya na x coordinates, no? Ibig sabihin, our domain, no? Sabi natin ano nga ulit yung domain kung naalala niyo? The set of x coordinates, no, of the points in f, no? If we're talking about the function f. So ang set of x coordinates natin dito ay all real numbers, no? So from negative infinity to infinity. Yun yung domain natin. Yung range natin ay yung set of y coordinates, no? And in this case, isa lang. So ang range natin is just 8. And to make the concept clearer, no? Y equals 8. So sabi natin yung x coordinate, yung domain domain is the parang projection ng graph dun sa x-axis, no? So kahit saan ka dun sa graph, meron siyang corresponding x-coordinate. Kaya siya, lahat ng numbers sa x-axis, no, ay kasama dun sa kanyang domain. That's why it's a set of real numbers. Yung y naman, isa lang, no? Kahit saan ka dito sa graph na to, the value of y is equal to 8. So kaya yung ating range ay 8 lang, no? I think that's clear. Murahin natin para sa next video. Now, for number 2, medyo slightly complicated, no? Ang domain natin any real number, no? Kasi wala naman tayong restriction. Pwede tayong maglagay ng kahit anong value for x dito, no? So ang ating domain is a set of real numbers. Kung napapansin nyo, no, sa mga previous videos natin, lahat ng polynomial functions, actually lahat ng polynomial functions, all polynomial functions, or maybe I'll just make this a different color. So the domain of all polynomial functions is the set of real numbers. So pag na-identify mo na polynomial function, yan, ibig sabihin yung domain yan is from negative infinity to infinity. Ano ba yung mga polynomial function? Diyan yung linear function, quadratic function. So this is a quadratic function, and a quadratic function is a polynomial function. Therefore, the domain is from negative infinity to infinity, or the set of real numbers. Now, ang ano natin dito, ang medyo kailangan nating alamin is yung range. This is a quadratic function, which means na parabola yung kanyang graph, no? Ang tanong, saan siya nag-open? No? Ang kanyang a, no? This is naalala niyo yung form ng quadratic function natin, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, no? And here, our a is negative 2, ang b natin ay 12, at ang c natin ay 5. Okay? So, I think malinaw yan. This is our a, b, c. Sabi natin, kung naalala nyo yung ating pinag-aralan sa quadratic function, sabi natin if a is less than 0, diba? The graph opens saan? Downward, upward? Downward. Pag a is greater than 0, the graph opens upward. Ngayon, bakit natin kailangan to? Kasi, if the graph opens upward, no? Kailangan mo kunin yung yung minimum value mo, di ba? Ang minimum is yung vertex. Kung the other way around naman siya, sorry. If the graph opens downward naman, kukunin mo yung maximum mo. No? Kunin natin yung maximum. So, pag maximum nito is y equals, for example, y equals negative 3. Yun na, hanggang doon lang yung range mo. So, from negative infinity up to negative 3. No? Yun lang yung yun lang yung range mo. Kasi hindi ka naman lalagpas doon. So, dito a is less than 0. Therefore, we will look for the maximum. A is less than 0, the graph opens downward. Therefore, we are looking for the maximum. Paano natin kukunin yung maximum? Dapat alam natin yung vertex. No? At kung naalala nyo rin, kung napanood nyo na, yung video natin on getting the vertex, sabi natin yung vertex natin is hk, no? Where h is b, or negative b over 2a. No? Nabura natin, but this is our a, no? A natin is negative 2, ang b natin ay 12, at ang c natin ay 5. So, para makuha yung h, we just have to substitute b and 2a here dito sa equation. So, we have h equals negative, what is our b? 12 over 2a. Ang a natin is negative 2. So, this is 12, negative 12 over negative 4. Pareho negative, so magiging positive siya. Our h is equal to 3. Paano natin kukunin yung k? Actually, yung k kailangan natin, di ba? Kasi yun yung y, yun yung y coordinate niya eh. So, para natin makuha yung y coordinate niya, of course, we have to substitute here. I-substitute natin yung 3 dun sa x. No? So, y equals negative 2 times 3 squared plus 12 times 3 plus 5, which is equal to negative 2 times 9 plus 36 plus 5, which is equal to negative 18 plus 41, which is equal to 23. No? So, ang y natin is 23, which means our k is equal to 23. Meaning the vertex of our parabola is hk, which is equal to 3, 23. Ibig sabihin, maximum niya itong 23. Pag ganito siya, and then the point here is 323. Meaning, maximum niya ito. Ibig sabihin, yung ating range is from negative infinity up to 23. Kasama pala yung 23. Okay? If you want, we can graph. Negative 2x squared plus 12x plus 5. Graph natin. Y equals negative 2x squared plus 12x plus 5. Okay. Medyo mataas siya kasi 23 nga, no? Okay, so this is our point. Maximum point, which is 3. 23, sabi natin kanina, di ba? So, yan yun. Kaya ang range natin, wala na tayong value ng y dito, di ba? So, ang range natin, ito na yung maximum natin. So, from negative infinity hanggang dito lang yung range natin. Okay? So, I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. See you in the next tutorial.